had mentioned before how the dogs broke into my garden and ate the watermelons, and because of that somebody must have pooped out a watermelon seed, and I have a watermelon plant growing right here by this tree. Good morning and welcome back to the channel. This morning I'm going to be making a recipe. My husband and I have switched from drinking coffee in the morning to chai tea, and while I really enjoy the chai mixtures that I have bought, I want something a little bit more spicy, a little bit more flavorful. So I'm going to try and make my own chai tea. So I have my bowl for mixing. I have a canister for storing. I have my blender. Little Ninja blender. It's cordless, and this to mix it all in together. So the ingredients that will go in my chai, we have whole cloves, ginger, anise, cinnamon sticks, black peppercorns, and then cardamom seeds. So, plus I have loose leaf black tea. There we go, that's better. Loose leaf black tea. So those are all the ingredients I need, and now I'm going to put it together. All right, let's get started. I need my tablespoon measurement. Ginger, got all my ingredients here. Let's put together my little Ninja. All right, so the first thing we're going to do is need 3 tablespoons of ginger. So from what I understand from the recipes I've read is that you don't want to grind it like finely. You want chunks, because then you just will dissolve all that. So I'm going to do them separately, and then I'm going to mix them together in a a bowl. Sorry. So this is what I have so far, and it still seems pretty chunky. So I'm going to grind it a little bit more. It smells delicious. Still a little too chunky, I think. So I'm going to grind it a little bit more. So it looks like some of it on the bottom is getting ground pretty finely, which is not something I want. So I think what I'm going to do is change it up a little bit, take out the big chunks, and mix those with some other spices. So we need cardamom. This is my cardamom. Comes in a bag inside of the jar. This is the cardamom. I wonder why they do that. Put it in a bag inside of a jar. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, wow. So I'm going to go with 3 tablespoons of cardamom. Next, we have our star anise. And it says 3 tablespoons. My recipe that I have put together. But I guess each star. Oh, I do like licorice. If you like licorice or root beer. Oh, that smells so good. I'm going to put 4 because I like it a lot. It says a tablespoon of cloves. Wish you could smell them. So I'm going to put that in here and grind it up together. Let's see what happens. Let's get some of that ginger off the bottom. Let's take a look. Kind of looks like potpourri. Then we have our cinnamon sticks. Now, I'm going to probably break these before I put them in there. Oh, they're going to go in whole. That one broke. So there's my cinnamon. So this is what my mixture of spices looks like. Looks pretty good. We'll see how it turns out. So next step is adding your tea. So we're going to add a little bit more than a cup, about 1.5 cup tea. I must say, it looks pretty good. It smells like heaven. But the true test is going to be how it tastes. Okay, so we got our tea, and I got my cup, and I'm going to see how it tastes. This is just going to be straight tea. I'm not going to add any sweetener. I'm not going to add any milk. I'm just going to taste it as is. Oh, it smells really good. But here it goes. I'm a little nervous. Definitely needs more spice. This doesn't have much spice flavor to it. Maybe I didn't grind it up well enough. All right, so that's key. It doesn't have enough of the spicy flavor. But I'm going to add some more star anise, cinnamon, cloves. I forgot peppercorns. I got to add my peppercorns. All right, so I'm going to go ahead and mix in my peppercorns. We have a tablespoon. Ooh, that's a lot. And then I'm going to add some more cloves. Going to add some more cinnamon. And more star anise. And I'm not going to add any more ginger or cardamom. So I blended this a little bit more. You can see it's a little bit more ground fine. I'm going to add that in there. And then we're going to try again. Chai tea that we made. And this is going to be our second try. How does it look? I think it looks pretty. Definitely smells spicier. It's hot. I think it tastes really good. Tastes really good. It's a little hot to get the full flavor, but let's test it with some sweetener and some milk. All right, so I added a little bit of sweet milk and some sweetener to it, and let's see. Oh, that is what it really, that's really brings out the flavors. That is really good. So I needed to add a little bit more cinnamon, star anise, cloves, and don't forget the peppercorns, and you will have yourself a great cup of chai tea. That is really good. Now, I just have to make a bigger recipe. to fill my canister. So I'm going to work on that. Thank you for watching this video. Wow, that is really good. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and stay tuned. So my daughter is here, and I've made her some of the tea, and we're going to get her critique or her opinion. Okay.
It's pretty good tea. Might be a little bit weak if you mix it with so much milk, but I like the taste of it.
Good.
Yeah, just some soy milk with the chai tea or the chai and no sweetener.